Hello friends! So we are here at the house today for some house updates, and then we're going to mom and dad's house for some house updates, and then we should be going and moving them in next week. But we have some fun updates in here, so I'm going to show y'all that real quick, and then we'll head to mom and dad's house. So here is the outside. I don't think that y'all have seen like the little roof lines over the windows. We have our roof put on, well, framed, I guess. And I think that little window looks crooked, but it's only because the way they put the paper up, it's not crooked, because we was already wondering about that. And then going into here, I'm not going to give y'all the full tour because I've already done that on a video before, but I'm going to share with y'all just some of the updates. So this is the foyer, and then they got our fireplace framed in, and then this will be our little built-ins right here and right here. And then each side is a guest bedroom, and we have a Jack and Jill bathroom back behind it, and that is the guest side of the house. And then turn around this way, and the living room is here. The dining room is there. The kitchen is here. There'll be an island here. The kitchen sink is there. The stove is here. The pantry, I guess we'll do a real quick one. And then going upstairs to the bonus room, which we'll go up there in a minute. And then this is the garage. This is coming up into the bonus room and curves around, and this is the bonus room. They have to finish it, and then they'll be through framing. They're supposed to finish it Monday, so tomorrow. So this is the plan, to put a little TV console table here, and then have the TV on top. And then over here, we're planning on putting 2 swivel chairs, and then a table in the middle, and that view is incredible. I love that view. I didn't even, like, I knew that was gonna be here, but I didn't realize how beautiful the view was gonna be. I wish that wasn't there so I could share it with y'all. Just how pretty the view is. So we have wrote Bible verses too around on the house. We wrote that one there, and we're hoping to have the swivel chairs, so if we want to sit in here and look in this way to hang out with everybody and watch TV, we can, or we can swivel it out like this and look at the pretty view out there. And then I'm going to hang a pretty light right here. I'm not sure yet. I did have a chandelier, but I think that this is like a small chandelier, like brass one, but I think that this is going to be too low of a ceiling. And then we are going to keep these as storage, so this will be like all Drew's hunting clothes and things like that. And then that will be storage. We're going to try to get storage everywhere we can in this house, and then that will be. And then over here, this is a half bath. And up here called for a half bath, but it was actually supposed to be on this wall, this whole wall. And then there was supposed to be a door like right in the middle that walked into there. And I did not want that because it was going to cut into our bonus room. And I love the idea of that window being open into the bonus room. And also we moved the half bath over here, so the toilet will go there and the sink will go here. This is the laundry room. This is like a little hallway going into the master suite, and then this will be like a little hall tree or like mudroom area right here. This is Drew and I's bedroom. This is the bathroom. Our bathroom, the toilet, and then the closet. Okay, and let me show y'all what we have outside, because this is so exciting. So we do have where you can go from the master suite right onto the back porch, but we're gonna go all the way back into the living area, and we have a door that goes out there too. So this is going out the back door into our patio area. So I've told y'all this before, this was the original plans, just to have this covered, but then we added on this. And we finally got to see the fireplace framed up. We're about to clean up all of this. And then I actually have something to share with y'all, the patio furniture that someone reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collab. And I loved their furniture that they had. And so we're gonna put that out here and see how it's gonna fit and work. So once we clean out here, then we'll come back and see how that works out here. And we'll have a chandelier here and some fans there. And then right here in this open spot, you can finally see it now, what I've been talking about. we'll have some string lights here. So this was the most exciting for me to be able to see. We'll go look from the back too. So here's the back of the house. And so that will be bricked fireplace. Oh my gosh, y'all, like I am so thrilled. Drew and I are, this is our favorite part. I know I tell y'all that every time that I get on here and show y'all the house, but we just cannot wait. We are so excited to have a really awesome outdoor living space area. And then over here, my garden, I'm gonna walk over there and show y'all that too, because there is a little bit of a garden update. So this is a white crepe myrtle right here, and it got to stay, thank goodness. So we'll do landscaping all the way around the house. And then all this will be grass. And then we did put down mulch the other day. Drew had to work, and so I went to Kayla and Austin's house, and y'all saw I helped them do landscape, and I helped them put mulch down, and then they came over here and helped me, and so that was a huge help. And I did plant some flowers. Nothing's really taken off or bloomed yet, but I do have some in there. And then we did have a storm come through the other night, so I have to pick up some things. And then I have all of my little vegetables planted. And this is really the biggest update, is the mulch. It already looks a lot better. And then we have to fill in all this area, and then this will all be grass. And then I want to eventually build the little rock fireplace again right there. This will have roses climbing up on it like it used to. And then I want to eventually plant some more plants and stuff in here. All these pots will be taken up. What I do is, what's going on is up under here I have some cardboard and all, and so I'm waiting for it to kind of disintegrate before I plant anything. And then back here I do have a hydrangea, and I'm going to ask y'all where y'all think I should put it. Should I put this hydrangea? I'll show you what it looks like first. So should I put it out here in the garden somewhere, and then I'll show you the other spot. And then right here that I have planted is 2 little limelight hydrangea. So I have one there and one here. Look at my butterfly ring, isn't that so cute? And my butterfly shirt today. So those will get big and cover this area. It'll be so pretty. And then this is stuff we're still working with, so it's just going to stay back there until we finish working on everything. Still kind of looks junky, but you know, one step at a time. And then this is what I did right here. And like I've told y'all before, this will actually go in our landscape. So this will look totally different by the time we actually get into the house. It's just what I had to work with for now. This is actually supposed to go on top of the table over there. But the mulch made it look a lot better. And I'm just kind of getting everything started off and growing again. So we'll keep coming out in the garden more. Usually the fountain is going, and I like laying in this hamper and like planning and pinning things for our new house. And then the wind knocked this lattice over, so Drew's got to nail that back up, so we have the wood holding it up right now. Okay, so that big hydrangea, I'm like, should I put it out in the garden somewhere? Or around the house for landscaping, I really just want to do like white and green, and that's it. Maybe a little bit of touch of like a lavender color. But I'm thinking out here to be so pretty, because that thing gets huge. I believe it gets like 7 feet wide and like 4 to 5 feet tall. And so I'm thinking about planting it right here, and it'll pretty much just fill in this whole area. And I think that pink up against the white would be so pretty, but I don't know. I don't know where I want to put it yet. I think I failed to tell y'all too that Kayla actually bought me that hydrangea for helping her and Austin out in their yard. So I love whenever people buy me plants I can put in my garden, because it's like a remembrance of them. So I think it's a really sweet little sentimental gift that you can always think about when you're out in your garden each spring and summer. So again, I've told y'all too, somebody lost their shoes out here, that eventually I would love to have an in-ground pool out here. And so we'll definitely have landscaping and all around the house, because y'all know I love plants and flowers. And then it'll be cleaned up. But you have to see it one step at a time, and I'm loving the little transitions little by little.
Dude, I don't even know how you're going to get it out.
You see how it doesn't like fit? You have to pull it over.
You got balls? Stuck in the bottom of this thing.
So y'all saw us putting together this little outdoor furniture set, and I just realized there's blue stuff on the bottom. I need to take that tape off. But I got to collab with HERNEST, and you already saw that they sent me a really beautiful kitchen faucet that is gold, and I shared with y'all a picture of this, but Drew and I put it together because I wanted to share it with y'all so y'all could get it for spring and summertime. So I'm going to link them down below and give y'all my promo code to get a discount off of this. And so don't you love this sitting in our new home? But we were excited to get it put together so we could see actually how big this space was going to be. And so it fits perfect right here. So we have like a little living room area. You can actually see it coming together. How fun is this? Everybody came over here and we're going to be eating and stuff and watching a football game. There's Drew. And they came up here to see our house, and thankfully everybody started grabbing pieces and working on it. So that was super helpful. So now, as you can see, what I have been talking about, this is going to be like Drew's outdoor kitchen area. And then we're going to put like a 6-seater table, 6 or 8-person table right here. So this will be like the dining room, the kitchen, and then this is going to be like the living room area. And then you'll have your string lights here, and then some like plants and stuff. So this porch is going to be so massive, and we are so excited. And I mean, obviously this is not going to stay like right here. We're going to move it around. It might come back some, but we're having to do the best that we can working around this. But like I said, since I was collabing, I wanted to go ahead and get it put together so y'all could see what it looked like in case you wanted to order some. They had a few different ones on their website. And it has the glass right here to protect the wicker. And then it came with these beautiful blue pillows. And then the cushions. The cushions do tie down too. I don't have them tied down because we're sadly not going to be able to keep this up here. So we got to take it apart and put it back in storage. And then the chair is super comfortable. Althea said she claimed this. This was going to be her chair. And then I just saw this too. Look what Addison did. Y'all, we are going into Mom and Dad's house, and this really will be the last time that y'all see it before we start moving them in. Because hopefully they'll be starting to move in first of next week. And it's going to be loud in here because it's a construction zone. So we got this new light, and I think she got it off of Amazon, I believe. And then the floors. And then we'll go see, look how pretty it is in here. I think she got that chandelier offline somewhere. I think Amazon too. So she did say she got all of her chandeliers off of Amazon. Gonna be lots of noise here because there's still construction going on, but this is their bedroom. And they have a chandelier in here they're gonna hang crystals from. And this is the rug that she got from a cousin of ours that was selling it. We think it's so pretty. It's gonna look so good, we think, for all the seasons and at Christmas too with the pops of red. And then they did this doorway to have a mirror, a full-length mirror, and then it goes into their beautiful bathroom. Cannot wait to decorate this space and for them to get it all cleaned up. Look how like beautiful it is. Let me see. Hey, turn the light. Still a few things that has to be done, but it looks so glamorous in here and crisp and clean. And the shower. And we designed their shower to have a little bench in here, and then to also have the shelves in here so they can put their shampoo, conditioner, soaps on this side. So whenever you are outside of the shower looking in, you don't see the mess that all of that can make. And it will just stay looking clean in there. I think that they're gonna hang their towels right there too. And then I won't share with y'all each room because it's all the same paint color and all the same floors. So we are hoping that they are going to start moving back in the first of next week, and we are pumped. We're going to be having lots of decorate with us videos for each little room, and then we're going to go furniture shopping today. And here is going into the guest bathroom. I feel like y'all been able to see that. Well, no, we have more updates. I forgot. They did get this light for in here. And I think they got this either at Lowe's or Home Depot, and it looks so pretty. I love how the globes reflect the light in here. And I love that this piece looks like a piece of furniture, and then the beautiful tile. I love it. So we ended up going to Ashley's Furniture and found Mom and Dad some new furniture, and we got some really good deals. They were having a good sale, and it was at the end of the month. If you just saw that recliner, Mom actually got this chair in a recliner instead of just a swivel. And then this is Dad's recliner. It's electric, and he has back problems, actually lots of health problems. And so he loved that recliner. He said it felt so good on his back. And we got it in this color, so it would match the sofas that Mom and Dad actually ended up purchasing. And this is them, and we won't be keeping the pillows. We'll be changing out the pillows to match their decor. And these couches are very similar to my cousin Kayla's. Kayla's are a little bit darker of a gray color, and Mom and Dad's is more of a neutral, like oatmeal color. I remember too that my cousin Kayla has this big chair and ottoman, but we didn't get that from Mom and Dad's house because we didn't think that it would fit. But not only did they find a really good deal, I did too. I actually sold our sectional that I thought was going to go up in our bonus room, and I got this beautiful camel color sofa because it was such a good deal, and I really didn't want the white sectional up in the bonus room, the one that used to be in our old house. So I sold it and then purchased this and got such a good deal on it, and we loved it. So that is all for this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed seeing all the updates, and y'all stick around and be ready to start decorating my Mom and Dad's house next week. I cannot wait to start doing that. It's gonna be so much fun, and I cannot wait to take y'all along with us. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around for all the fun that we're going to be having. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.